Miss
After,
Ay, sorry.
seryoso tama.
Hangkuman.
Kunyari,
Hangkuman. Hangkuman mo content hiya happiness kon bes.
let's say we are Philip
Digit ta ha.
props.
Yep.
So, okay.
Sorry. I'm
Um,
cursing.
don't, dapat
I know nga ron,
ta.
yes. Nasingpot tamot ko.
Demure,
Ako, Diyos ko.
cutesy,
You know what?
classy. Awan, hindi. Timang bagay ko, tararok mo.
Sige. Then why is there a clip then?
I-clip mo ito.
I hear.
Okay.
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 Tala ka
Okay.
na, among
Rolling
naka-
in.
Naka-oo.
Ang ka makita
Okay,
ni.
fine.
Agpasublodak talaga.
Agawit ka nga ron.
Okay. So, welcome guys to our podcast. So, this is Noel.
And this is Arlie, and welcome
So,
to our podcast. Alam pa doon.
Paulit-ulit.
Ulit.
So now we're flying to Hong Kong, and it's my first time of flying with Emirates, and
It's my first time flying.
because you're man
I'm flying without wings.
Yeah. Wait, this is not singing.
Oh, sorry.
This is actually I was about to prepare some questions or like an
Ay, dapat
outline.
nagpa-straight ta.
Dapat spontaneous ta.
Spontaneous
Awan ang brain ni mon.
Haan,
Dapat akit no anat makpanunutan tan ison.
nakakorkor ni
Okay.
ka lang ron.
So first, I just want to ask, did you enjoy your trip celebrating your birthday here in Thailand?
Yes.
Use your mic.
I am using my mic. I am
Boring di sumbat mo nga.
Ala, aguri ka nga.
Yes.
Ala,
Elaborate mo.
Handa kami nga makauray,
Okay,
best
repeat.
cute.
Did you enjoy your travel?
I will
I mean-
elaborate.
Go.
Go best. What did we enjoy the most? Ala, best, agsangit nakmanin.
Go ahead.
No, I don't. For the viewers.
Our video should be demure.
Pangsit ni Mark.
Best
Joke lang.
na asidagdatan na
Okay.
should be demure. Classy. We should be plastic. Okay.
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 We're so plastic. Oh, so shit. Sorry.
Okay. Answer. So, did you enjoy your island?
Island hopping?
Your no. Your
the whole
the whole trip, the entirety, the main
Course.
character.
The main
character. Because guys, he flew from Canada, he landed in Singapore, and then from Singapore
Ako na gano.
he flew to Malaysia, and then from Malaysia he flew to Phuket, and then from Phuket to Bangkok, and then we went to Pattaya, and then back to Bangkok, and then now we're flying to Hong Kong, and then we will part ways there. He'll be flying back to Canada, and I'll be
That's
flying to the
right.
Philippines.
That's
So my
right.
journey was
Ay,
Lawag
deta
to
man.
Manila,
Deta.
Manila to Kuala Lumpur to Phuket, and we met in the airport of Phuket, and then we went to our hotel in Panwaburi.
Diba? This is
Panwaburi.
story time actually.
Story time,
Yeah.
okay. And then after that, we flew
Oh my
from
God.
Phuket to Bangkok,
I
same
feel so
same.
peasant.
But you know what? I hate Thai Lion Air. Never
Why? Okay,
again.
why would you
Because
hate it?
I have a check-in baggage, and that's 10 kilos only, right? And then I asked them to put fragile on my suitcase. Why? Because it's only 10 kilos, right?
Mhm.
And when we arrived here in Bangkok, girl, my suitcase wheel, besa lang, so wheel,
Mm-mm.
tama,
Ano nga will? It's not even a plural.
is Fargan. And napirpir, you know what's napirpir? In short, it's damaged. You cannot use it anymore. So, and I just bought it last week. Like that's a 2 weeks old
Nag-OA ka,
suitcase.
bes. Wan.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Okay. That's
Medyo-
already
medyo-
4 minutes. I want that
Medyo
tot
OA.
na dito ano tan. So, back to the
Nagado
question.
energy. Awan energy.
Back to the question. Did you enjoy your trip?
I did. I'm thinking what did we do?
Amongst all the hotels we stayed in.
For the hotels, it's giving Panwaburi talaga, best.
And second,
Twin
Twin
Tower.
Tower.
It's
And then-
it's beautiful.
and the rest is history.
Yeah, the rest is history. I really
And-
cannot.
What have you learned
A lot.
regarding on those hotels?
And how would you apply it to your time as Miss Universe? To be a Miss Universe is both an honor and
Ana.
responsibility.
Ikat ko det, ipatayo kita ni.
Sino dito?
Ibarsak ko ito.
Kitain nyo at the anger issues na ito, friend.
No, I mean, from that we booked hotels.
Alante, kaya
Anat,
kami.
na-learn mo ka DJ pa nag-book ka ti different hotels.
Ko na ni Noel kat never book cheap hotels when
Wait, disclaimer guys, disclaimer, this is just our opinions of the guests.
ay haan.
And,
Our opinion matters. This is our
No.
channel. Charim.
actually no, baka sa baling, wait, di deliver ka wrong. Do not book cheap hotels. It's not about
I wrong,
that.
yeah. It's
wrong. It's
no,
wrong.
no. The quality.
Book
Don't
an
always-
accommodation nga kasi to others kasi, to some, kunada, uuwi lang sila because they will just sleep, they will just use that one for sleeping. But in my case kasi, it's totally different. I have a
Hindi
job at
tan
night.
well.
I need a place where I can like take a rest. That's why
Yes.
kasi what happened is we booked one hotel, it's Le Phoenix, and
Le Phoenix.
we ended up not completing the
We
hindi
didn't
namin,
stay.
yeah, we didn't
We
stay
didn't stay
there.
the whole course of our supposed stay there.
Yeah.
We
I
opt
booked
to
another hotel
we
because
opt to move out and
Mm-mm.
then we went to another better hotel.
yeah,
So,
kasi nga the signal, number one, I really need a good Wi-Fi.
okay.
Yeah, because as a VA, because that's what I do, guys. So I'm
Ala.
working as a VA, so I need a good Wi-Fi. And the thing is, I'm working at night. So basically, if I want rest, kasi hostel is not okay. I mean, hostel is fine. However, hindi
det.
siya ano sa akin kasi nga syempre maingay, wala kang privacy and makalat ako, guys. Alam niya yan. Makalat
Super
kami
kalat.
actually.
No,
Pag-
not me.
Pag gusto kong umuwi and I'll just dump it in the corner, I'll just dump it. Kasi nga, andito ako to enjoy and relax. Hindi yung iniisip ko pa yung surroundings ko, right? Na parang I need to, di ba? Alam mo yun?
You have a lot of things to do. That's
yeah,
why.
yeah. And the
You have a
thing
lot
is,
of
I'm
things to do.
actually parang refraining na with traveling with someone else kasi nahihiya ako. It's not because ayokong may kasama sa
Ano
trip.
nag-explain?
Masaya ang may kasama sa trip, right?
Mm-mm.
Like, may
Like me?
picture ka, like, meron kang, uy, best, ganito. Meron kang ganun. Like, can you take a photo? Asa na ulit tayo? May second opinion.
Period.
However, on my end, because nahihiya ako na nadidislike, especially sa kanya. That's why most of the time, ang binubook kong hotel namin is dalawang single bed para at least may space para kahit nag-work ako, hindi siya masyadong ano. And alam naman niya na ito yung work ko, so he should accept the fact na maiistorbo talaga siya ng tulog. So guys, sa mga
Yes.
gustong makipag-travel sa akin,
Wow.
you should accept na
Yes.
yun, like hindi maayos ang tulog nyo, right?
True.
So next, okay, you enjoyed your trip. What's the highlight?
Okay, so I have to explain this, not because I want to sound ungrateful and everything, but I think I chose Thailand because I expected that it would be way,
More beautiful.
yeah, I expected so much of the places.
Because of the hype of the people.
Yeah. Tapos when I got here and then really got into the places where I wanted to visit, it wasn't what I expected. So for you guys who are planning to come here, don't expect too much. If your guys are from the Philippines, especially from the provinces, and if you have beautiful beaches, babes,
I think it actually depends on the purpose of the travel. If you
Yeah,
want to go to like natural
that was,
resources,
yeah,
if you want to go to the beaches or this beautiful sceneries,
that's what I thought. That's
it's
what
not
I
because
thought.
I'm a Filipino, I'm very biased, but guys, we have like our beaches compared to here, it's giving. The
Wala.
only thing is when it comes into island hopping, Thailand is far
Yun ang pinakamaganda.
better,
Actually, that's
far
my answer.
better compared to
That
the Philippines. I have nothing against them, pero guys, speedboat kasi ang gamit dito. Like imagine, nag-island hopping ka na naka-speedboat, which saves time compared of using yung traditional lang na tuk 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 tuk, and it
Yeah.
will take you how many minutes para makapunta. So, I think maganda yun na level up. And sa Philippines kasi, pag nag-island hopping tayo, right, is buffet, boodle fight lang. And pag meron tayong mga kasamang mga ibang taga-ibang bansa is, 'di ba, may mga malalakas kumain, meron din namang hindi. Dito kasi is buffet. So, kainin mo lahat ng gusto mong kainin. So, yun yung differences ng, I mean, super pagkakaiba talaga nila, right?
It's very abundant.
Mm-mm.
The
Super abundant
food.
sila sa food, drinks, alam mo yun? Like, maganda yung,
And
and guys, may Bonamine pag pag magbo-vote
it's
kayo, may
very, yeah,
free
there's
Bonamine.
free.
Imagine that. And before pa kayo
Bonamin ba DJ?
kasang kasila
Asa
to?
lang ka siya? Okay.
Oo. O,
Girl,
pre-nomote na namin. Okay.
you're a
Dili.
doctor of
Wag
pharmacy.
tayong mag-promote ng brand. Meclizin.
Exactly. Meclizine.
Meclizin.
Is it? No, it's not even. It's
Actually,
dimenhydrinate.
it's diamond hydrogenate. But if you go to the Philippines,
Oh, it's
the one that we
meclizine.
use is, yeah, it's the
Oh,
Meclizin
I see.
actually.
In the Western countries, we call it
Right.
gravel.
Okay. And in the Eastern,
And in the Eastern, I don't know. I've never been
bahala
there.
kayo dyan.
Bahala kayo dyan sa East.
Bahala kayo.
Anyway.
Mahilo kayo. May hongtay kami.
But, you know what? I think, going back to the question,
Uh-huh.
the highlight of this trip is about the people you meet and the people of Thailand. They're really, really nice.
Yeah.
I
I feel
I might,
safe.
yeah, I might have said na the Philippines has beautiful beaches and
Mm-mm.
everything, but you know, hindi lahat ng tao din sa Pilipinas, girl, they are as nice as the people that are
No.
here. So that's a big factor,
Mm-mm.
and I will give that
And
credit to them.
same. And I feel safe talaga dito sa Thailand. Nung nagpatayo ako, di ba, sabi ko, I feel safe. I think I belong here. I feel free. Parang, alam mo yun? Like, my phone, you know, like what happened sa phone ko na, alam mo yung nagpa-party kami, like, as in, lasing ka and all. Pero yung cellphone ko nandun sa table. Tapos, ito, umuwi. And yung phone ko nandun lang sa table. Tapos, binigay nila sa akin. Like, imagine that kind of, safe, parang ang safe. And even kagabi,
True.
na ang layo nung sinasayawan namin, tas yung mga gamit nila nuts, na ang daming
Yeah.
cellphones, tas ang
Actually,
daming sumasayaw doon, and even the bag,
actually.
di ba? Like,
Wait,
imagine,
kanino iPhone 16 yun?
kay
Ay,
nuts.
kay Nats.
Like, imagine, iPhone 16, dalawang 15,
Wow.
isang, ano yung flip ni Samsung?
Zay.
Yung
Zay Flip,
flip ni,
something. Yeah.
see? I mean, not to, hindi ko sinisiraan ng Pinas, pero punta ka ng Siargao, Lamari, girl, pag uwi ng mga foreigner, wala na yung mga sapatos. Nahihirapan na
in?
silang,
Oh my God, that's disgusting.
no joke.
Philippines, you can do
I'm-
better. What the fuck?
Hindi ko sinisiraan or
Char.
what, pero
Hindi,
it
sinisiraan ko siya.
happens.
Charot. Yeah, it's really bad, you know?
So yun yung and the thing is, guys, ang napansin ko
Safety.
dito is, hindi ka nila gugulangan. If
Hmm.
kahit foreigner ka, kung ano yung price,
Yeah.
yun yung price. Like, unlike kasi sa Pinas, aminin natin na pag pumunta ka doon is, taxi pa nga lang eh. Taxi pa lang. And if,
Na yunam tun ading levels is not
yeah,
giving,
like,
you know?
dagdagan mo na. Dito,
It's
walang
wrong.
walang,
Yeah.
meron, sa lahat ng sinakyan natin, Grab, Bolt, Grab car, whatever. Ni isa, meron bang nag
Na yunam
complain?
tun ading, no.
May nag-complain or
no.
what?
They're always
Even ang
na-
sukli mo is 10 baht, 5 baht,
They will give
give
it
it
to
to you. Parang it's out of your generosity na lang na, no, you can take it. And then they will say, kapon kap. And even pag nag-meet kayo, alam mo yung simpleng kap, di ba?
Yeah,
Like they will bow.
it's really the
Mm-mm.
Southeast Asian culture na I hope the Philippines would adapt.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
No? Like, grabe. Imagine, yun na nga lang, yung price na lang talaga.
Yeah.
Like, kung 80 baht yan, 80 baht, hindi yan magiging
Because I feel
150.
peasant here. Everyone's like with designer bags. Tapos
Hindi
hindi
ata ka man nun.
girl.
And yeah, I think, what's your, take away mo nga learning from this trip?
Okay. Don't ever text your ex. Don't ever fucking text your ex on your trip. Girl. Girl.
No, I mean,
To my future self, bitch, you better be with another man.
you better watch out.
You better
better
with
not
another
cry.
man.
You
I
better-
mean, you've been through a lot with this guy, babes. We don't want that. Don't settle for
No
less.
comment.
Yeah. fuck
And
that.
how about like learning sa life? Like,
Alam,
what's your
Diyos
takeaway?
ko, anak ka, di take
Like,
away, anak, kahit mo isumbat ko, bes.
dati pili na plastic ate, kunyari
Pinapla-
adamat na learn mo ka dati, trip ta nga tay, nag
oh, this
51st
one.
exchange
Okay,
ko
okay,
siya.
okay.
Apo mo ito plastic na mo ate nga friend din.
Haan, you know what? It's not being plastic. Anati ko na akon. Ala, bakla. Di gito yung met, babada nga baban. Inta ban? Pa,
Awam
it's not
pa
yet time.
it's not yet boarding.
That I realized I don't want to travel alone. That's for sure. I've been traveling alone
Mm-hmm.
since I
Because he's traveling to Hawaii.
yeah, I'm going to the US
Yeah.
very often. I drive by myself. I can do it. I can be very independent.
Mhm.
I don't need anyone to
Like financially and in all
everything.
aspects. Yeah.
I can do it. I can yeah, I drive by myself. I figure out everything on my own. But it's I think it's deeply rooted from my traumas that I want to be with someone, and I want every moments to be shared with somebody else, you know.
Are you happy that you shared this trip with me?
Oh yes, best. Oh, no joke.
Kasi
I'm so
guys,
happy.
we've been traveling, I mean, since
This is 16 minutes already. Fuck, this is
October the
timestamp.
21st,
First,
and now it's already November the 4th, and magkasama pa kami till tomorrow, and then he will
yes.
fly back na to
Mm,
Hong Kong, and I will I to
no,
Canada, and I will
yeah,
celebrate my birthday
by himself.
alone. And since
Yes.
na guilty siya, he bought me
I
ticket. No, he booked me the
I
Disneyland hotel. So I'll be staying in Disneyland hotel. So
yeah.
that's the most expensive hotel that I'll be checking in
And
so far.
I've never tried that before.
Deserve.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and yeah, it's your gift from me, Bes.
Kamsamnida.
Kamsamnida. I'm the polyglot friend. You know what polyglot is? I've been telling you
I
that
know
since
that. Hmm?
what is that?
It's Polly.
Poly.
It's Polly.
Yeah.
As long as it's
So,
Polly.
wait, going back, how about you? What is the most what's the highlight for you of our trip, Bes? I cannot be the only one
Highlight of
answering
the
this.
trip,
Yes.
I think it's my suitcase na nasira.
That's not a fucking highlight.
No, I mean for me, not because what happened was the way how I handled it na hindi ako naging
I have
bitch.
something to tell you guys. And if you're traveling with somebody else, especially if it's just a friend, make sure that you guys gonna match everyone both of your
Energy.
energy. Girl, just imagine kung yung pinaka-silent, hindi naman pinaka-silent, but okay, mag-friend kayo pero you're not matching each other's
Wala kayong
energy.
common denominator at all.
Meron naman. For example, I will not drop names, wait lang. Yung friend
Drop
talaga kay
names. Ay,
sino ba?
kunyari si Shawi. Ay, joke lang.
Si Shawi. Si
Oo.
Shawi,
Hindi na, nairaman man ni Shawi nga
nag-backstab.
min.
Hana, this is not backstabbing.
Ay,
Shawi,
kidding lang, Shawi.
sinunod mo panunod ko. O, kunwari, sino ka different? Kung amayat niya example.
Haanan, don't drop names.
I will. Ni Ahira ko makas pagarigan. Ni Ahira because she's my best friend.
Hmm.
Bakla. She loves to take pictures.
Hmm. You love to take pictures.
I love to take pictures, but I don't complain. That fucking bitch. If I tell you guys that if she doesn't want the picture, she will ask you to do it million times until she wants
Did
the
you travel
picture.
with her na ba?
Hindi pa, pero I just know her. Ah, girl, you fucking bitch. If you're listening to this, hi, Bess. Love you. See?
Ah.
Mga ganong bagay. And ako din, if I am traveling with someone, I want the other person to be like, girl, dapat naglalakad ka. Like, walk. Literally walk.
Grab. Bolt. Sorry. We didn't,
You
hindi
need to,
kami nag-train.
you need to,
Like guys, we didn't
you
use
need
the
to
metro.
walk.
Not because
Just imagine this. I went to Singapore by myself for a day,
uh-huh.
and I went everywhere because I love to walk din
Mhm.
kasi. And then you get to places. Okay, number one, Singapore is really expensive. If you take the cab,
Yeah,
bench, goodbye.
it's
It's
it's not
yeah,
giving. It's
but
giving Givenchy.
pag
Bodega.
bodega,
Okay.
tap
Uh-huh.
tap. I used my credit card for the entire trip. I think I only paid $9, $9 Canadian for the whole day. Unlimited, yes. So that's
It's
very
nice.
nice. And sa Singapore, marami silang lines that you can go. Tas everything's connected. It's a
It's
small
a small
country.
country. Ilocos Norte size.
Yeah,
Imagine.
exactly. I was like, babes.
Like, can I just drive around? Pagod po to Pasukin. 45 minutes.
Mm.
120
And
speed.
oh, I learned that whenever you go to another country, make sure to check on Michelin
Yeah.
guide restaurants if you want good food. Okay, because
It's his
those. Mm,
influence.
thanks to
And I
Paula.
think that's also one of your highlight of your
Oh,
trip.
girl, all of my trips, I went all to Michelin stars. The most expensive one is in Ojo in Bangkok.
Like, girl.
Ojo, who? Like, how? Yeah,
Manhanakon?
Manhanakon
Like,
Tower. I think
sorry.
it's the second tallest tower here in Bangkok.
And that's the most expensive dinner that we had.
I think
He paid for it.
that's the most expensive.
And how did we gaslight it? He paid a dinner in Maui worth 80,000 pesos.
Yes, it's
And
2000. Yeah,
yeah,
it's
that's
two
$2,000
thousand
US
dollars.
dollars.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? So 2,000 times 50,
Ja, kahit ag-compute, amom the more nga
that's 100K. Kasi di pa ng compute it is Canadian
Mm-mm.
dollars, but you spent
Yeah,
USD. Okay.
yeah.
And our dinner, I think that was only less than
I
15K.
splurge with memories for memories, guys.
Less than 15K lang yun in Philippine peso, right? Kasi
Yeah.
that's only
So
7 something. Yeah, so less than 15K. So mga
it's
7,
piso sa akin.
mga 14, 13.
Piso. I'm going
Uh,
back to Vancouver super broke,
but super grateful.
super grateful, and a lot of
And
memories.
you can
That's
bring back
amazing.
time. You can earn
Yeah,
money this upcoming days.
that's
But you
true.
will never be 28, traveling in Thailand, staying here for a
Mm.
couple of weeks.
Doing jet ski in Fifi Island, babes. Like, girl, being on a long boat by you,
Jet ski.
just you and your friend, girl. Wait for our jet ski video.
Jet ski videos
We
coming.
were, we're not
Our
on the water.
Thailand.
We're not on the water. We're on the air. Zug.
Jet ski zoom zoom. See, he enjoyed it. Actually,
I
he
really
drove
love it.
first, and then
Mm-mm.
he was just like
Pabebe.
going
Pabebe.
pabebe. And
Such a
it's my third
pabebe.
time na kasi to do jet ski, and I actually, it's my experience din doon din.
We have
First is in Phuket. Couple of
25
more
minutes.
Yeah. And then, when I drove, ayaw na lang nag-drive. Gusto na lang yung tatawa ng
Yeah,
tawa.
I'm
Sumakay-sakay na lang
it's so
siya.
fun.
Like, super, super fun. And the thing is, dun sa boat namin, dun sa island hopping, super
I
happy
literally
ng mga, ano yung tawag nila?
mga
Like,
mga
naano sila
tourists
sa
din,
energy namin. Like,
yeah. They
you
were
know what?
watching
We're,
us.
it seems like we have that energy that
Oh,
radiates.
yeah.
It's not it's not pagbubuhat ng
I
bangko,
want
but ang daming Phuket pa
I
lang.
really love that energy of us, Beth.
Phuket pa lang, sa Patong pa lang.
I'm so happy with that energy of us.
Diba?
Not everyone can do that.
Kanina
You
na
can be
naman.
beautiful, you can be sexy and hot, you can
But
be
you can
rich, but you cannot
be interesting. Like, entertaining. That's it.
entertaining, not interesting. We are interesting,
Ito.
but it's not about that. It's about
Kukuha lang kami ng kukuha lang kami ng VAT refund. May napasaya na ulit kami. Yun pa lang.
we're just lining up.
Imagine that.
Like literally, just lining up.
Lalabas lang kami ng hotel. Meron na kaming napatawa. And imagine that. Tapos, nag-island hopping lang kami.
There are a lot of people around
Ang
us right
daming-
now, and it's really
Ano,
awkward.
no?
I've never. Yes, I know, but it's my first time doing this in
Same.
public. So
Sa tingin mo,
well,
do
I don't
have?
know.
Actually, you just
So
have to be
fun.
comfortable with the person you're talking
Exactly.
to. The
Like
confidence,
period.
it follows. Ay-
Ngam amom nagrigat agsapul ti kasi nga nga tao ijay van ko. Depite manon. I'm always looking for love, and love is very very
Subject.
very
Charot.
very distant,
Very far away.
ang
Far from
hirap.
area. Bahala ka dyan.
Anyway, that's not the point of this video.
Yeah. What's the
Um,
point of this video?
The point of this video is, I don't know, it's a question and answer, babes. How many days are we here?
Na?
Ah,
October 21,
Can you
22,
count?
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. That's 10 days.
Yeah, plus
1,
4.
2, 3. 14, 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
And I was here 2 weeks again. You know what, guys? I
Pagpunas
flew
kami dito.
here September the 26th. And
Flex mo
then,
amin net a friendship.
nag-book na ako ng flight pa uwi. October
Nag-istorya man.
10.
Story
So
time.
that's 2 weeks already. And then ito, bigla niyang sinabi na mag-extend na ako kasi nga yung supposedly kasama niya for this travel, I was just an option, guys. Option.
Really, he was just an option.
Yeah, I was, and I hate it. But since he's my friend and he's very supportive to the things I do, especially sa botika, like he contributes, what's that?
Contributed best.
Ano diya yun?
Alay
lends
sa'yo.
help.
Charot.
Donation.
Yeah.
So sabi ko, okay,
donation.
since you're a good friend, sasamahan kita for your birthday.
It's really good to give back to people.
Yeah. And then, sabi ko talaga sa kanya, pag nakita kita sa airport, ingungud-ngud, idumudum ka in Ilocano. Not hug, not greetings na, alam mo
Yeah.
yung long, kasi ang tagal namin di nagkita. Last na nagkita kami nung papunta pa niyang Canada. And that
Domestic
was,
violence. That was it.
pag pagkita ko talaga sa kanya, yung dumudum ko, best. I have a proof. I have a video na indumudum ko iso na. I even uploaded that on his, did I upload it in your birthday?
Yeah.
No.
Aman.
The first day.
Yeah.
Really?
Aman na.
Yeah. So that's it. And
Greetings. Yeah.
ginawa ko talaga yun.
Mhm.
And I will also do this one to my friend Gracie. Watch out.
At the question ko,
Go.
oh, do you know
Lay down.
ano na ganan? Dito nga bakla nga vlogger nga nagka-shy.
Ni Poca.
Poca and the other one.
Poca and Cardi B.
Cardi B, that's a fucking rapper, babes.
Haan, isot na na.
I'm bugged. Basta anyway, those two.
What happened to them?
I
What's your question?
I don't know, but girl, ano lang.
Anak,
If we're gonna be successful in this career, watch out to all viewers. Charot.
ah,
Aga pa
Poca
damot
and-
nung mga kashibes. That's the question. Are we gonna be fighting like them?
I
I don't-
hate fighting.
I hate
you know,
fighting
you know,
too.
you know that.
Yeah.
You know that na I'm trying to
Camaraderie is a must.
avoid
Y'all. Mhm.
this such discussions na
Hate,
ganyan.
yeah.
You know that.
Mhm.
I laid it na if you can
Yeah, it's
Hin-
really wrong.
diba?
Yeah.
and I
Anything
hope you
in-
learned something from me sa mga
When
ganon.
I best
Like
na gado ko
how-
nakat because
Like how
again
you
because
view things in life.
Yeah.
Like kasi
Because
ang
again,
negative niya, guys.
no, because yes, I'm so negative.
Negative.
I'm the most
ang dami
pessimistic
niya,
person.
like ang sinasabi niya na
Um,
bad.
don't
Sabi ko,
yeah,
no, don't do that.
Mhm.
Be careful what you
Okay, let's count all the things I learned from you. First is we manifest talaga. Never say may metang ka, sister.
Yeah, say, Shanruay ka.
Shanruay ka.
That means I am rich.
Someone's fighting downstairs. It's like literally
Oh my gosh.
bang 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 charot.
I don't like that.
I don't like that either.
Yeah.
Di kita tsakayat.
That's
That's why I hate traveling alone. What if I get into a fight like that? Like, we'll cover. I'm just a soft boy, babes. We
I
don't.
hate that. You know,
Nora naman kasta
maybe
kang kan
because
alaman
it's
sung
my
bataman.
trauma.
Kat pati mo tsak be sa tingin mo, it's my trauma. I hate
That's
arguments.
my trauma.
I hate being in a heated fight with someone. Agsangit aklat tanukan. Agsangit aklat tanukan, best promise.
I don't know what. That's why I'm trying to avoid. Even last night, that Indian girl,
Ano yung bagana?
no, the gesture, di ba ko pinatulan? Because I don't want
Anat gesture na.
Like, naiking kasi nak na eh.
As in?
Yeah.
Kitain nyo, nagbabasos talaga.
Actually, I don't know. We
I'm
don't
being
have-
racist. Whatever.
Pero what's wrong?
Anyway, gusto na yatan best.
Okay.
Dadakkel nga tao, they can manage.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, that one, manifest. We manifest. Next.
we manifest and then when we manifest, I think that's the number one and the only thing anakad pay nalipata ko atan ni
When it comes
wala
to
mo kami
ada
nilitan.
i-look forward mo in life.
I win, girl. Ana DJ in bagam ini.
Haan nga that fuels you up. Tap
I
no,
win.
you have the reason to,
always use whatever these are cliche things you learn every day. You will always hear this anywhere, but
Mm-hmm.
it's from the mouth of the right person, babes. Always use all your traumas and the otitis media to give it as a strength as a woman, as a as a as a mother, sisters, and child. Ano di sungbat ni Catriona? Sungbat ni Catriona di siya.
When the
They
moral
binibining.
of the
Yeah.
society become
Stay strong and high. Thank
uh-huh.
you. Anyway, adapay,
Di look forward mo nga te you wake up nga te endless dapat ti life.
ibagam kadlatan, amo kain bagam di kita, amo adat ko
Bahala ka
lang
na.
yung,
Basta yun na yun. I mean,
I look
um,
forward to, ana?
dati kasang at least ada i-look forward
Ah,
mo
yes.
obrain.
You know what?
Like, kasi
We
quarter life
are,
crisis.
we are
Okay, yun yun.
living, yeah,
Yung
we are
quarter life
living,
crisis
we
na we
are
don't know what to
living,
do,
yeah.
ano
We
yung
are,
i-attain.
listen. We are living in a world where tomorrow is never,
Mhm.
ano ti English nan kita am nagduldog ako. We are living in a world where tomorrow is not guaranteed.
Yes. We
And
don't know what the
so,
future holds.
yeah, di gid siya nga banbanag.
Mhm.
Tatan, girl, if you don't plan out things to look forward in the future, then
You will end up
saan ka?
unmotivated or like
Yeah,
anong
it's
gagawin
really,
mo, 'di ba?
yeah,
It's so beautiful na meron kang
mhm.
nilulook forward na gawin. Be it
Always have that.
travel,
Yeah.
magpatayo ng bahay,
Exactly,
magnegosyo,
exactly. Anything that makes you
anything.
happy.
Kahit
Yeah.
ano man 'yan as long as basta ang
That you
pinaka
need
ano
to
ko,
work hard
pinaka
for it. Yeah.
parang pinaka golden rule ko is kahit anong gusto mong gawin, as long as wala kang inaapakang ibang tao, then you're good. Kahit
Mm-mm.
maging madamot ka, mapagbigay ka, hindi ka namamansin or what, as long as wala kang inaapakang ibang tao, then okay ka for me. Ganun.
Okay, hot take, babes. No hanyo kaya pala ngamin ta agbunti-buntis. Yat ni inayo hanggang aramit ubing. Kitaan nyo kanyak tata. Ana may unplanned pregnancy, bes. Ayan at magulang ko itata. They are living their own. Ay, shit. Sorry, bes. Apay mo. Ah, fuck.
I mean, the point
Taam
is,
nagsingpet ni Noel.
we
Kita
will
kudo-kudo naklatan.
no, we
Tam
will,
no nagtal na.
let's take,
Makitam
if,
deta ramp it ta,
if it
bes.
didn't,
Makitam deta ramp it na.
Oo.
Tas ada naka-wheelchair. Iba to.
haan kasi, everything happens for a reason. If haan nga napasamak DJ, awan RV tatanga, kasi ka wonderful, ka splurge, ka ag shopping, awan RV.
Alam ni nakabitong.
Awan
Sana
RV
all.
nga na fab, nga nala
But then,
talented,
But then
nga
I
ipre-praise the DJ kinaduam nga nagkanta. Like, girl,
oh I love that too. Oh my god, if you love
see,
to sing, oh my god.
I know what he
Mhm.
wants. So,
Kakasya.
inano ko siya sa mga bar na
Yes.
alam kong mag-enjoy siya. And actually, that's good thing na I
Wait lang,
came
anat
here.
magsasaritaan ta? The family. Anat ibagbagam dat tay? Nga no awan ni Arvin was.
Yeah. No.
What if best? What if I am that person nga I didn't know how my way out of life? But imagine if
Good thing
nakaya
is,
nga what if data para sa mga tao kathaan nga kas katipker kas lakan yata.
That's actually life. That's the challenge of life. Apay ko na. Yes, it's not your fault if you were born poor. It's not your fault if you
When
were born unprivileged.
yam numatay ka nga kasyay,
But if you will die, nga awan man lang inaramid mo, that's your fault already.
that's your fault.
At-
When
Example, nagadut success stories nga naggapudat from scratch.
nagbuteng
Imagine,
nagbuteng ti life nga kasyay. Nga dete awan asaham nga dumak girl. Amok motivational ti bagbagam best. But then
narigat talaga, pero ano ada ka dyan nga sitwasyon na awan maaramida mo na dapat
Awan
lumaban
maarami.
ka.
Awan maaramidam ngem
You have
sabay ko
to fight.
no, this is for the ano couples that are planning to make kids. Girl, if you cannot make your life the happiest pelang, if you cannot afford even the simplest things in life, Ang ipelagan anak, o kininayag pabak ng kay biit. Han, nagkaasing hatat dumak.
Mm-mm.
Imagine naman sikat parent, makitam ta anak mo nakakawkawawa. Anat mariknam.
Yeah.
PGJT point ko bes.
Yeah.
When kaya girl, it's your responsibility to make your life work.
Uh-huh.
Be a responsible
I
parent
get your
first.
point.
Be a responsible
Hoping,
parent. Yeah.
hoping nga dating nga generation tayo.
Mhm.
Actually, I'm happy nga ti makikita kita nga generation kat kasay. Like kita kat awan
We.
unay ti teenage
Oh
pregnancy
girl, ada pa am
unayan, di ba?
amok, ada pa am amok agdawat ti kwarta. Hana siya ti magdawdawatan damot kit dingam
Mm.
adagdawdawat ti kwarta ket ada anak da tas magdawdawatan dagat awan anak na.
It's not
No,
kasoy
it's
matitik ta.
ano,
If you wanna help, but you are not han nga obligado
obligated.
nga
Ngam no dinawatan da ka bes.
I don't
Exactly. That's my point. Don't.
kasi
Don't
not
fucking don't.
because you're working very hard. I mean, to others na mikat adada talaga da DJ. Ano da, gianante na wayat ima da. But shak di tao nga min nga I work hard. I want ti ado nga kwarta because kayat ko nga matry da DJ bandagahan ko na try idi. Like healing your inner child. Mga
When?
kasi nga ganap. Like for
Oh.
example, tata agbuka ti flight nga amon DJ nga ti naghappy dati, di ba? Inayaban nak nga nagkastoy kat haan nga plan kat I was still able to book that flight even if kagap-gapok lang nag-Thailand. Amo di ay like
KM.
so nag-expensive da gijay pero nag-happy nga minay kasi I don't know siguro hanti agpapada nga min happiness adati happiness
Hot
dako.
take again.
Hanti agpapada happiness
Hot
guys.
take. Protect your peace, people. Fucking
Yes.
protect your peace.
Yes.
I will protect your peace.
I couldn't agree more.
Nagdagsen yung protect your peace. Okay?
Yes.
Always protect your peace.
Actually,
No.
how are you protecting your peace?
Shit. Number one talagang amok nga naiyanak nga jak kahit ti tao. I fucking hate people. Look at my job. I work as a nurse. I deal with people all the time. I hate complaints. I hate everything.
And again,
And
what
again,
did
when
what did
be
I tell you?
grateful, yes. Always take it with a grain of salt.
Mhm.
Ano dito ubing italikotan.
Bamlet.
Ano ti bagbaga?
You hate people.
Oh, I hate people. Of course, I'm trying to learn how to accept people. Of course, girl, hanak na sumsumrak ijo hospital. No, if I still hate people.
Yeah.
But when it comes to your personal life, always choose the people that should be in your bubble. Do not allow anyone to come in. No hamo kayat chimisa nga tao and then you want them to cut them off. Fucking cut them off. If it's a family member, cut them off too. If you want,
How do you protect your peace?
my peace. Ay data dyan nga question pa lang ay. Di jay nga rod. I cut people. I just stay. I don't let people easily get into my bubble.
Ano tamin we differ ngamin ti status ti life like our
When
our
kung ka
community
sa balik
and
kang kang di siya kanya.
so
When?
at least that's a good thing that you're
Mhm.
protecting yours.
Mhm.
Kasi me, even if you didn't ask, how I protect
Girl.
like girl,
Okay, babes. How do you protect?
how am I protecting my peace? To be honest,
Han, I want you to be a mag-sweetie. Sige.
haan, kasi lang, I mean, I don't know if people will believe it, but how I protect it, I cry.
That's not protecting.
That's how I let it out. Kasi kasang, I will, kasi di ba ko na kanya,
Girl, I cry a
numabalbalin ka,
lot. What do you mean?
like for example, like at di ba
It's
lately
an
ada
outlet.
nag-happening kanya. Like
It's really
like my car.
overwhelming. Yeah.
Like Gina pasamag si car ko. Like that's my car is a 5 months old pa lang. Like yes, nagasgasan ko siya on all.
Talaan ito word nga like best. It's not nakaka-intellectual. Like, stop saying that.
5 months pa lang DJ car ko and then napadung parda. And the thing
They
is
might watch this best.
yeah, it's okay. At least
It's okay.
and the thing is hindi pagbaga kanyak and I was in Thailand kasi daw they are protecting me nga baka hang ko ma-enjoy the J trip
Trip.
ko. Tapos naamok lang, idi agawid na ko.
Is that bad? No?
At least nasuggest ko na tinubrada. Tapno at least ko mauri awan nakijay
Nadagos.
na na resolban haan nga
Iur-uray mo, DJ mo.
nagadut ubrak. I
Mm-mm.
mean, yes, nag-travel na. That doesn't mean I have that all the time kasi I work, I do businesses. Amang di ay, like, anak pa maturugan. Di kinabisik. Then, they wanted to talk to me like, di bagong dating ko. But, I opted not to kasi good thing that's a Sunday. I arrived in Pasukin Sunday. So this Sunday morning. So what I did is kapag danon ko jay, just nag-prepare and then napanak church.
Yeah,
And then I cried sa church. I let it out.
that's
And
good.
then
That's a good way outlet.
DJT that's how I
Yeah.
protected my
Nagpipila
one
dan
piece.
bes.
And then
Tunok ko ado dapay.
I'm so happy and proud na hindi ako ano there are no bad words or hurtful words nga na ibaga.
Just
And I
be
think
nice.
that's a
Nagrigat,
small win for
naglaka
me.
di kita nga ibaga. Naglaka nga ibaga di kita, just be nice. Kung kunak nam nagrigat,
Narigat,
ni-apply.
but at least
Mm-mm.
maububrak.
Yeah, learn.
And if
Control,
ever to
control
others,
your
yung
emotions
hanak mais
too.
kanya I'm trying.
No, fucking bitch. If he's not nice to you, you deserve it. Fuck off. Charot. Joke lang.
Not because I wanna,
Ako na
I
lagi
want to
sisingkat,
complain.
bes. Lagi
I don't, no, I'm not.
Pati
I'm
siya.
not kind. I'm not nasingtet.
Mm-mm.
Inilocano lang. I'm not kind. I'm not,
Di kita title ko ka, di kita
No.
pamilya. I am not kind. I'm my
Natangsik na.
I have a bad mouth with them. It's like
ano guys?
no kastamot lang ganyan
Ka
man
pa.
nakita yung kanya girl, dati pa gayam di may isang insecurity. Ay, fuck. Family dapat ipagtartarayam no ada problema mo yung sakit. Awan pagtartarayak nga family best. It's always
You
the
can always
friends.
run sa akin.
I know my people ko naklangaro doon. Bun best. Ana di kita. Handa kaya ti pamilya nga pagsasaritaan. Well, I want to. So, charot.
That's a different
That's a, yeah, okay.
So
Okay,
since
fine.
we are parting ways naman na din. So let's just say there will be like part 2 or part 3.
Ay,
Let's do
nag-OA.
it Zoom. Or
Maya, nagbayag ko nga planot ag podcast talaga ngam awan
Same.
ka duwak. Ano nga rod ti pagtapikak deta mo kan sinot interesting person
bali
nga
nga
sa
mi,
sarita.
may mayat nga mi ti ada ka interact mo.
Uwan.
Kasi nagbayad siya pag
Ag
like, dati ka-
ngaw
imagine, awan iti
You know I had podcast before but then it didn't.
awan iti na it comes out naturally.
Yeah.
Di ba na feel mo?
Kasi nga amuta.
And the thing is, our energy kasi, imagine mo, like, agkadwa kami for 2 weeks, pero OA kampe lang. Amon di.
Okay kami
Kapag-
at digiti down moments mi nga bakla kasi lakad adete anam. Amo yung siguro no i-convert mo DJ energy mi kat kamit mang sagad ti may isang eroplano mapan Vancouver. Charot.
Like, grabe.
Best hanta may maladaw?
Dapat lang eh.
Okay, fine.
What time is it na ba?
Dabay 5 minutes. Actually, nun sa pag-fast track, pang business class pa lang, bes.
Kandagi
EJ tayong taligay nga mingas.
Boarding at 12:55. And what time is it?
12:50, 5 more minutes.
5 more
or-
minutes. And the gate closes at 1:25. So we're good.
Kaya
And
pa.
see, actually, kahit ko talaga, kasi I think one of my strengths, that we're talking.
Ay, adapay na adal ko for this trip, bes.
Ano?
Nandito yung pinagkadwata.
Ah.
Amom dati, the ride going to Pattaya. You were in front, right?
Yes.
Next to the driver.
Aha.
I was at back seat.
Aha. Kasi di ka kahit kaabay.
Haan.
Naumanak idi ka niya.
Akal na kape lang the train of thoughts, agpukaw.
Okay.
Never nakman nga nagkaroon ti kasi nga moment nga I wanna do this. I wanna do this. Kasi
Ay, nagsurat ka.
when
I saw that.
amom kat I was like that when I was in the Philippines until I went to Vancouver. I feel so sa baliak nga tao, I had a lot of challenges ijay,
Mm-mm.
super sa baliak nga tao ijay. But then being on a trip with you, Bes, here right now, it's a
Aha.
different story. I realized my worth. Ana ti bagbaga ng kwan nga it's like light bulb lata nga ting kasi
Okay.
awan kasi nga moments ko sa Vancouver. It's maybe because I'm always busy at work.
Yeah.
Tilang biyag ko kat home, work home. Kasi lang nga to the point nga ape awan mo dati anan dati ijay Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Ijay self-actualization
Sino
di
ka
makin
dyan?
nga to.
Aha.
Hanak makadandanon ijay tila pa kadandanon nakat anate makin baba?
Bahala ka.
Physiologic needs, love and belongingness,
Kung may kabesa.
security. Ano tayo may sa self-esteem. Adakla jay self-esteem ngum I never found anything that fills out the box for self-actualization.
Mhm.
Anat self-actualization kanya makon ko na it's your will to continue what iso DJ bagbagam best nga ilo
Ada
look
ilok
forward mo.
forward mo.
Awan kasi nga moments ko at Vancouver. I
And
never
I'm
thought
so happy nga na far
girl,
actually.
ay, ata kasi, sa balital talaga, no, again, enjoy kat kadwa. Isong nga,
Kasi
girl.
we were talking nga parang kung na kaming kanya na life is di ba di yung baga tatating we don't know what the future holds. We uncertainty aming nga banag and
Well.
yet hantay pe ammo anat kaya tay pagbalinan.
Pag serbiyon taman, di kita makbook ta, bes.
Anong gusto
Kasi
natin
totoo braon ta.
anong gusto nating gawin? Like ang sabi ko sa kanya is we just have to even if we don't know what we want yet, hindi natin alam yung endpoint natin. But as long
Dito
as
tayong
we're
magana.
productive,
Yes.
as long as we're doing something na it helps sa ating
Mhm.
everyday life na
Yeah.
for our living that nagpro-provide sa needs natin, then we're okay. We're totally okay. Instead of you just
Being stagnant.
waiting for the right time
Yeah.
because that
No,
right
that
time will not
will
come.
not happen.
You have to find it. You have to work
Yeah.
for it. I mean,
Like love.
'di ba? Like
You need to find for it.
parang gate yan sa airport na kailangan mo yang hanapin. Hindi yung gate
Gate
yung
ang pupunta
pupunta sa'yo.
sa'yo.
Ikaw mismo yung maghahanap. Pupunta ka sa gate so that you can take
Exactly.
off sa plane and then you will go to that destination na gusto mong puntahan. Not na literally na yung pupuntahan mo na ibang bansa. But
Period.
anong gusto mong endpoint? Kasi ang hirap talaga. Like, I'm 28. I'm turning 29 in a few more days. And
In 2 days,
I s-
babes.
Yeah, in 2 days. And I don't know, I really don't know what to do in life. But at least, I'm working, I'm earning.
Doktor na yan, ha?
See, I mean, I'm earning
Mm-mm.
okay,
Okay,
naman,
decent
and
amount of money.
decent amount, and then
Yeah.
I have businesses and mag-open pa ng isang branch,
Yeah.
and thank you Lord for that.
Yeah.
At least productive ako, 'di ba? Like parang
The hype up EJ. Okay. Yeah, the hype up EJ Vancouver tatagat no nurse kagat you always think if you're going for a specialty program. For example, if you want to go to ICU training,
mm-mm.
kasi DJ hype itata but nobody's talking about doing masters. And then kahit kumapan EJ kasi nga rod kat I'm not a peasant. I'm not an ICU lang. I was in ICU. I know what to do in ICU. I know how ER works. I know how labor and delivery works.
Mhm.
But not
I'm
everyone
checking
will be
out.
able to go to masters. Well, a lot of people can, but then
They don't
Bising-
have the luxury of
yeah,
time.
yeah,
Of course, the money.
the
like,
money, yes. Iso nga, isa di kita panpanon kita ta. This is just a blueprint of my plan.
ag podcast and tupingan naka-shades. Okay, that was so random. Okay, sorry,
Iso
ADHD
DJ lang.
babies.
Iso DJ. So I will do I'm being hateful kasi nga rod, amin mo't lang am amo kong na data dapat ikatak data being hateful.
Yeah.
Kun
Again.
amom pa ada pa na discover ko self ko. Oh my god, this is so Discovery Channel.
Mm-mm. What species are you?
Species.
Sika.
Species
Not
lang ta.
species. Oh, fish.
Ano ti magbagata?
Self-discovery.
Ano ti self-discovery
Ano
kita
amo
yun?
ka niya?
Gore ka.
Nga may isa ka nga mama.
haan, nga mabutong naknakan ka na yun nga ti always first response ti misa nga tao is hate, and this is deeply rooted from a trauma again. For example, dati breakfast ay tatay bigat.
Mm-mm.
There are white people there, right? And I always think that they always judge Asians. Kita at the bias ta utak ko nga kasi latat panpanunutan da.
Mm.
Iso nga wrong. Iso nga, yeah, I need to change that. I need to change
You
that.
need to.
I need to change
You
that.
need
That's very, very wrong. It's the outlook in life talaga.
Actually, among data, it's actually self-destructing.
Best, I do self-sabotaging a lot.
Madi.
Yeah.
Kasi na-try ko ditan, I mean, this is a different, pero kasang kasi thought. Nagapukam na pa nag-dinner plan access.
Yeah.
And then, I was
Tagong.
driving, agawid kami. And of course, my speed was, kasi napataraya, kada makamamo napataraya kag-drive. And, adda motor, nga mang sarsarano kanya, nga te, napaspasuna. Kita mo ko, ano ito drama na yung motor kahit na lumumba. Among gayam, so apay kam kamate na kami. Kasi nakalukot J-trunk ko. Tas ko nakiigan
Mm.
manang kat, like, ginudge ko man ti anon, basol ko DJ. Among dijay, at least kat,
We always judge.
pinabainak jibagbagi. Kasi lang,
Okay, also,
nag-conclude nak
also,
nak without knowing the facts. Among dijay.
yeah, this umbrella term, I mean, that they be nice to yourself. So,
Mm-mm.
don't do self-sabotaging.
Yeah.
Just be grateful. Always think nga the person is nice.
Mhm.
At first, nga don't expect nga
Not everyone
not
is
everyone
like that.
nga
Kasi,
just be nice.
Lusik ako mga tao kat you're not a liar. Hangi ibig sabihin ng kat aming nga tao kat hangag sinungaling.
Mut, DJ Mut.
Yeah.
That's another part of
Mm-mm.
protecting your peace. Wala, di kita manon. Amo lang kadandaro nita. Kagurgurak ti ka siya.
And anyway, since we're already boarding and it's a great time to
to spend.
burn that time. I mean, to make it
Mhm.
productive. At least, hanta lang nagtugtugaw ikaw
Des.
what. Because we're
Di
boarding.
kita yung botega, pela di kita kadaan na.
It's, data ka man nun.
Haan, bes. Meaning business class, pela di kita
No, haanon.
Haan ban?
Haanon.
Ang taro din, bes. 55.
So, we're
Okay.
going, it's our boarding. Actually, kanina pa sila nagpapapasok. So, but actually, hindi pa na ako pupunta nun, but we just have to prepare our things naman kasi nga, we have to fix everything.
Yes.
Pa. So, I think you learned something from this video, right? I mean,
You better.
it's,
Kung wala,
what do you call,
girl.
it's our pilot. This is our pilot episode, right?
Oh, yes. I think
This is the pilot episode.
this is the pilot episode.
And
I didn't know that he has a plan to do this up until now. Na I'm
because I
holding
just
the
know
mic.
that he wants
Okay,
the mic to hold it, saying,
Where are you gonna upload this?
some
Where
people,
are you gonna upload this?
YouTube and Facebook.
And if this is monetized, Noel B, you better.
Siya, better na. Mukhang pera.
I'm broke, babes. What do you mean?
A.
Oh no, we don't say that. See, I'm learning. I'm
Wait,
learning.
right now, I ran out of cash, but something is coming,
Yeah,
right?
something is coming. Yeah. Mm-mm.
Don't say you're broke. Don't say
Because you're
may utang
manifesting.
ka. We say, Shan Ruway Ka.
Chan Ruway ka.
Sawadi Kap, Thailand.
Nung song sam
Hapon
si
ka.
ha hok
Jet,
jet ped
Pet
gao
Gao,
sip.
Sip it, sip song, sip sam, sip si,
We
sip.
can count in
I can
Thai.
count in Thai. Sawadi Ka.
We ko na met basit akit amok met.
We. Nung loy hasip. That's 150.
Kano ka ti Teachers Day tap nun bayadang ka bes. Teachers
See?
Day. Nagkoya.
Bayadan na ka. Ano ako mukhang pera? Yes.
Me too.
Anyways, that's
Okay,
it
bye-bye.
for our pilot episode. And I
Lalaingem.
hope you like what we did.
Yes.
You like
Nadakor
what
ni
we
kanya
said?
mikat isunaan. No.
No.
Haan. I don't say corny.
Again,
Yes.
don't author negative things to other people.
And also another hot take. If you find that person that is adugay hot take ko pa.
Hmm.
No DJ person kat it's their first time to do something. Tapos they are really really happy about it. Tapos napadasa mo nga si ka nga mesa nga tao. Nabuyak
Support.
Support. You do not kill that happiness
yes.
right
The
away.
DJ
No,
agi
we don't.
upload ko mati nag-milk tea da kat first time da kasi
Yeah.
bakit namin adong nga na-tryan.
Tapos iba kang
Don't you-
maudong da.
Mm-mm,
Wrong.
no.
Wrong. That's so wrong.
And the thing is, the siya agap upload inta FB, they are not, sige, ibagatilat nga agpangasda, ibagatilat nga agpalangwa da, but it's your mind that creates the scene. Nuti pa ng view, kasi dito I uploaded my doctorate degree, my doctor of pharmacy.
Tapos iba gadang agpangas-pangas ka bes.
But look, ada na-inspire ko, ada friend ko nga nag-doctor of pharmacy. Na-inspire kang ako ng kahit mag-masters. See how
it touches people
it touches
in a
people.
positive way, and yet we are here. I was one like that. Nga thinking negative things, and it's not good.
It's not good. You know Jax, dati credit card guy ta TikTok nga, and di ba ada in post na nga parang hangka mababay nga ag side hustle nga dapat multiple incomes. See, I mean, let's be honest, di ba adadaman talaga, oh, ala, doktor ka, aglako-lako ka or what, at the
Yeah, no.
business mo kasoy, and di ba agpas-pasabayak like the gentlewoman bags and all, like, hanak mabay nga mga obra DJ, kasi,
Yeah.
among DJ, di, may sa DJ nga nang influence kanya.
See.
Imagine that, nga,
Yeah.
impose na lang DJ without him knowing nga, na-touch na ka DJ. So, that's
True.
the power of sharing things.
When
Nga
ban
out of kayat mo't mang-inspire, it's
deta
depend.
batlin niya tawon no DJ Mesa kas lang sa Bali det. Haan nga ana DJ Mesan bes.
Oh my God.
Bye.
Bye.